Welcome to Toyota Time with Timmy the Toolman and Sean. I'm here with my buddy Frankie, and we're in Echo Canyon, which is in Death Valley. And I'm going to show you that when you use low four-wheel drive in certain situations, like climbing a sustained grade, it can make a huge difference in your transmission temperatures. We're going up not a very steep grade, but it's steady. And so I'm in high four-wheel drive right now, and I'm gonna show you the temperature that I'm currently at, and then I'm gonna put it in low four, and you're gonna see the difference in the temperature. And this is important because if you overheat your transmission, you can do permanent damage to it and then be stuck out in BFE, you know, bumfuck Egypt. Right now, my aftermarket transmission temperature gauge is showing 165, and I'm gonna start driving now. I'm gonna let it get up to about 185, 190, and then I'm gonna put it in low four, and you're gonna see the difference. So sorry for the bumpy video. Frankie's trying to hold the camera as steady as possible. We're going up Echo Canyon. I'm following my buddy Anwar. And my transmission temperature is now getting up to about 186. This is not a very steep trail. It's just a very mild grade. Right now, I hit 190. So now I'm gonna go into low four-wheel drive. And then we'll drive for a little bit and we're gonna see how the temperature is gonna change. I just got done driving for a little bit. I just stopped my rig, and you can see that the temperature dropped from 190 to 170. This is definitely proving that if you put it in low four-wheel drive, it can keep your transmission temperatures much lower in that sweet spot of about 170 degrees if you use low four-wheel drive while climbing sustained grades. So a quick down and dirty video, but this is a real important thing to know when you're four-wheeling, that if you have an automatic transmission and you're going up any type of sustained grade, even though you don't think you need low gears, your transmission needs those low gears to run much cooler. Number one, monitor your transmission temperatures somehow with a scan gauge or an OBD2 reader sending information to a Torque Pro app. But for Toyota 4Runners 3rd gens, 96 to 98 don't offer transmission temperature through the OBD2 port. You have to run an aftermarket one like this one that I put on the A-pillar. And if you click on the link above, you'll see the video I made of installing this aftermarket transmission temperature gauge. So really important, monitor your transmission temperatures and know when to use low four-wheel drive. And another one is knowing when to turn overdrive off. All these little things will help keep your transmission temperature at an optimum temperature, and you won't overheat and ruin your day and ruin your transmission. With all that said, thank you for watching Toyota Time with Timmy the Toolman and Sean and special guest Frankie. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, do that below. Take care. Bye-bye. Sick mods and sick wheeling.
Yeah, it's a pretty sick shot right here.
Hard driver. Easy.
Oh, totally cleared it, man. I was thinking that pumpkin was gonna hit, but no dice. All right, this is the second one going down.
Real slow, real slow. Real slow. Nice. Keep on coming. Faster a bit. Come on. Slow, slow, slow. Driver. Keep on coming. Slow. Slow. Right. Driver. Driver, driver, no driver. Keep on coming. Slow, slow. Nice. Keep on coming. Okay, faster. Come. Stop. Slowly, Tim. Faster, faster, faster. No. Go faster. Okay, you're good. Just keep on coming straight. Forward. Faster.
Oh yeah, cleared it.
Keep on coming. Right? Driver. Follow. Right on, that was awesome, dude.
That was sweet.